Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Krishan. I got a lot of queries from so many teachers that while presenting something or PowerPoint presentation on Microsoft Teams, we are not able to see the students, we are not able to see their charts, we are not able to see our own video also. So today we'll find out the solution for this problem, and it's really very easy, and I really think that this video will be helpful for you, and you will share this video with your near dear and colleagues. So we'll start without wasting time. So first of all, we will start a session. So I will go to some of the class. For example, the same thing, this class will go, and the same way we have to start the meeting. Now you can see we have joined. Generally we will use this open tray. Got it? And we will go for the desktop Windows, or we can go for PowerPoint. If already some PowerPoints are opened, we will see this. But I request you to don't go this two option. Okay, please go for the option called as a browse. Right? Click on the browse option. Click on the upload from my computer. This option you have to choose. Click on this option. Find out the presentation, whatever available here. So I will open this PowerPoint presentation. Got it? Now this will ask you where you want to upload the PowerPoint presentation. So I want to upload in general class material. I want to upload. Already one file is there. I can click on the upload file. Now you can see this file is uploading here, and I am available here. So far there is no student joined with me. Got it? So this thing you understood, and now let us see the student view. Right, so you can see this is the student view, one of my student view, and teams. Student has to select the team, they have to find out the class, and they have to join the class by clicking on the join option. Now the student is in the class now. At the same time, the student is also getting the PowerPoint presentation interface as it is. Okay, as it is, whatever we have shown, the same way he is getting the PowerPoint presentation. Right, you can see one of the student, Mr. Sujiraj, join our class, right? And we are presenting this PowerPoint presentation in this way, including my own photo. You can see my own video is also playing here. At the same time, you will find the tray option is also available with you. All the chat option is also available with you. Got it? You can see the team members who are the participant currently participating in the class. You can see here all the option, means all the option whatever you want you can find out here itself. You can start your recording of your class, change the icon, this and everything, full screen you can make it, whatever option you want you can do it. So here you will find out the PowerPoint presentation control bar. With the help of this you can navigate your PowerPoint presentation. Got it? The same way it will be visible on student view also. How the student will see the same thing, I'll show you. So this is the student view, and student can able to see the PowerPoint presentation. At the same time, the student can able to see the presentation control bar, and the student can navigate without your permission from one slide to another slide by clicking on the arrow button. Okay, you can see, right? You can see. Not only this, At the same time, student is getting this tray. The student can put their chart, put their query, right? The same query will be visible to us immediately. So you will never miss any question from student side, and you can immediately cover these questions. So you can see the student can also move your slide. The student can send their chit chat message, whatever query they have. So first of all, you have to click on this icon. This icon will stop, okay, student to move from one slide to another slide. So we will click on this option. Now student can only see what we want to show. They cannot move to the next slide. Got it? So this is the way where you can present your slide in a best mode, and how the student will see that you have saw just now. Okay, student will see whatever you want to explain. In meanwhile, this is my sincere advice to all of the teacher: use open board. Use open board. It is a very good application, right? So I will start the open board and show you a little bit demonstration. Start the open board and click on the show desktop. That's all. This much you do it, and whatever exercise you want to do with your PowerPoint, you take this pen and you do it this exercise. So we have to select this option. You can use this. Entire toolbar is available with you. So you can see you are teaching with all the tools. You are teaching with all the tools available on your screen itself. Whatever you want. Suppose now you want to move to the next slide. Move next slide without any issue. Got it? Use this option to move next slide. And highlight, if you want to highlight something, use this option for highlight. If you want to erase, you can use this option to erase something. Again, if you want to move to the next slide, you can use this. So student will also get benefit. You will also get one benefit after doing this this type of presentation sharing. Got it? So so this is only for today, and I hope you like my video. And if you like, please share, subscribe and comment. And thank you for watching and supporting me. Thank you very much.